Morning all. Can't remember when I last saw us. Well, I know it was yesterday I spoke, but can't remember what I was talking about. I think I told you that my daughter and her family were coming down today, maybe. Well, if I didn't, you know now. Yeah, they're coming down for the day, so we're obviously staying put. Bit of a disaster yesterday. Well, my own stupid fault. I think I might have said I was going to cook spaghetti bolognese, or sort of my campsite version of it. Well, I got back to the tent after, I don't know, probably a while. I thought, oh bloody hell, I haven't got the tomatoes. So off I go into the village, get some tomatoes. Get back, oh blimey, I can't remember now, there's something else I forgot. So back we went again to the village, to the supermarket. Anyway, last night I started to get things out. No oregano, bloody hell. So at that point I gave up and just had some crisps and a couple of rolls for supper. So we're off early now to go and get some oregano and some beef stock, or stock cube anyway. I don't seem to have any of those with me either. So we go and get that. Hopefully the mince will be okay until tonight. I'm sure it will. To be honest, panniers, even in the sun, tend to keep things quite cool. but also we might actually be eating out for lunch. Ooh. He's been hit and blimey, the front of the car's still there. Blimey, no sign of the car though. At least there's a registration plate on that bit that's left. Right, let's turn you around while it's quiet. Oh look, come on. Oh bloody hell, right, I'm gonna stop. Oh. Go. Right, there you go. Oh, it's rather fresh again today. And I see in the meadow, sort of behind the campsite, it's all come over rather misty. But I think that'll burn off, and I think it will be in for another lovely sunny day. Well, that wasn't very successful. Turn you back. Well, I've got some beer while I'm here. I've got my beef stock, so that's alright. No blooming oregano. So there's one more shop over the road. And some crisps. Munchies later. Yeah, there's one shop over the road, so I'll go and try in there, see if they've got anything. If not, we'll have to use mixed herbs. Right. I just thought there's one more shop that I could try. Hopefully they might have some oregano. I believe nowhere's got any, but oh, never mind. Oh look, we're at our at the tea rooms again. Yay! See, they should always use the smaller independent shops. Yes, so that's good. We got some oregano now, so, well, we probably won't end up cooking it now, but never mind. Normally I carry, I think I've said this before, I'll have to do a video on sort of bits I carry in my larder for cooking. I normally carry a little sachet of oregano, but for some reason, well, I didn't have one, so we'll replace that now while we think about it. I want that sun to come up. Yeah. I'm going to check to make sure he's okay. Are you alright? Surely they didn't just drive off, did they?
No, they stopped, yeah. Up at 7, so, yeah.
I like the way they left the evidence with the number plate on.
Yeah, it's a bit of a touch, that is. Trying to see if I can mould it into the back of the bike to make it look good, but it won't fit, so.
Oh, of course, 'cause that's gone wedged up in you.
Yeah, it's right, I can't move the bike, won't move, so.
Yeah.
Mud guards underneath, that's underneath, so. Yeah. I'll receive it.
Well,
All good.
I wish you well. Hope you get sorted.
Yeah, no problems. Lovely, thank you for stopping.
No. It's fine. Well, you was there when I went in.
Oh, right.
And you were still there,
Yeah.
so I sort of wondered, but yeah. Right, you take care.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Yeah. Not good at all. I always remember my auntie saying to me when I was a little boy, we was going down a motorway and there was a motorbike in front of us, or he went past us maybe, I can't remember, but he was dropping bits off of his luggage, which kept falling off. It was like a couple of shoes fell off and other bits. My auntie said, I hope somebody stops him and sort of tells him or lets him know that all this stuff there, because if it was you, I would like somebody to do it to you. And I've always sort of thought that. Treat others as you would like to be treated yourself.